Okay, today we're here at the Habit Burger Grill, and I went to get their new spicy crispy chicken sandwich. And it's actually 2 pieces, and it's got a nice like sesame bun, different than a normal like regular hamburger sesame bun. Uh, kind of white. Oh, it's toasted too, and a nice piece of chicken. Some kind of white cheese. And this is probably the spicy sauce, and then a couple pickles. Let's see. Oh, there's some on the bottom. Oh, there it goes. Yeah, it is kind of spicy. Oh, okay. So now that those weird people have left, that we weren't purposely filming, she accused us of filming strangers. Okay. Anyways, let me try this out. Chicken is nice and tender. That bun is interesting. It's got a lot of sesame seeds. So far, it's not that hot yet. Mm. Get a little bit spicy on my tongue. It's not too bad. Just a little bit on my tongue, so it's not quite as bad as the name sounds. But yeah, this is a really good sandwich. So if you want just a little bit spicy sandwich, it's just like a little bit of heat in your mouth. It's not enough to make you not enjoy the sandwich. I've had some that are all you can taste is heat. You can't taste what you're eating except for the heat. So yeah, this is a good one. And this is $9.99. And it's a larger sandwich than the burger, I think. So that's why it's a little more expensive. So, anyways, yeah, this is a good one. So this one seems to be at all of them. It was there at the Torrance one too, but since we're here at Rolling Hills, we thought we might as well get it here. So, anyways, please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and click on the notification bell and click on all to get notified every time I upload a new video. So I'm going to take another bite. I'll see you in the next one.